Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another haul video. I I placed an order. I placed several orders actually. So let me just share with you. They're kind of from all over the place. I'm trying to figure out. I think the majority of them are from either Amazon or AliExpress. Anyway, I'll just share with you what I got. So I did place an order for some beads, and this actually was done like in, I want to say mid-January, and I got it already. So I think this is probably a really good time to order is in January, because, or like late December, because a lot of the companies in China are shutting down for New Year's. And so I think a lot of them want to get their shipments out before they shut down. So right now wouldn't be a good time because it's early February, and I think a lot of the factories are shut down now, and they'll be shut down for like a couple weeks. So if you place an order now, it may be delayed in terms of shipment, but I think you'll still get your order. It's just that it's not going to be as quickly as I got these. So anyway, going back to what I was talking about, I think I ordered these because I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do for my mom is asking me for those mask leashes, and I still haven't made them yet, but I wanted to get a better variety of beads to play with, and I thought I could also use them for other like dangles and other projects. So when I was on AliExpress looking, I didn't even realize that they had some of these other colors. So I like these. I think they're like kind of like fire polish beads. That's what they remind me of anyway. And but the coloring is really nice. So let me see if I can kind of show you. Like, I've never seen these colors before. This is like a magenta, but it's like also like metallic-y looking, but also clear. Like, it's kind of weird. This is a smaller size, and then I also got it in the larger size. So I think it's real pretty. I've never seen that before. This is like a green color. So I have these types of beads, but I just don't have these colors, right? This is actually like multicolored, so it looks like a grayish topaz-y color, brown, but when the light hits it, it also looks kind of magenta and also green. I don't know, I can't explain it, it's kind of weird, but maybe you can see it when I do that. So I don't know, I just kind of like threw things in my cart, and the prices were pretty reasonable. Here's another one of that purpley magenta color. So I think these were called red, but they look more like a berry kind of a red, not like a deep red. And then again, they're kind of metallic-y also, because remember my mom wanted red, right? And then I got these light blue color. So this one is more of a blue, hard to see in my lighting, sorry. And then this one is more of a, I want to say more teal-y kind of color, like a robin's egg blue. Has more green in this one than this one. Oops, sorry. And then this one is more gray, and then as you can see when the light hits it, you'll see pink and green colors. And then this one is, so I keep picking up the same one. No, I have a couple of the same. Okay, so anyway, that was that order. And like I said, they were pretty inexpensive as compared to what I can get here in Hawaii. I'm sure if you lived in like downtown LA or you have access to that, you'll probably find a lot cheaper beads for and probably a bigger selection, but I think for what I wanted, it was good for me. I think I do have another order of beads coming in similar type, but maybe not the same color. So I think I ordered two around the same time. Okay, so then I'm trying to look through my box. Okay, so I also ordered from AliExpress some dies, and earlier I shared with you the one that looks like Ray Dunn. It reminds me of Ray Dunn. So I picked up a couple of font dies because it's a lot cheaper on AliExpress. And it kind of reminds me of the same style. So this one is a little more wonky looking than the Ray Dunn look, but they're still that skinny alphabet type. So I got that. And then I did get this one, and it kind of reminds me of the one that I already have. But as you remember, my W was like messed up, like it wasn't gonna cut all the way through. And so I'm hoping, you know, I can use this as like a substitute for that. And then I did pick up a number set because it's always good to have numbers as well. I don't know what that is for. RDNDSHT hashtag. Anyway, I don't know. Do not disturb. I don't know. Anyway, so I got those. And then let's see. Okay, this also came in from AliExpress. I was trying to figure out, because I ordered something similar from Amazon, and I wasn't sure if the order was from Amazon or AliExpress. Like, I couldn't tell from the packaging when it arrived. I suspected it was AliExpress. So I did order a set of this glittered faux leather or canvas. I guess, I don't know what you call it. But I really like the colors, and I didn't know how big it was going to be. So it's not real big, but it was pretty cheap. And I'm thinking that's why it was cheap, is because the size was not that great. I do have a steel roll die that I want to cut some bows out of, so I think I'll probably use this fabric for that. And I did just recently order more steel roll dies, so I could do more of die cutting on this type of materials. Okay, so then, oh no, this one is part of that. Okay, so, and then I got this. So I can't remember whose Instagram I saw it on. But I thought it was super cool. So I'm so sorry, I don't remember who it was, but they had posted these really cute cups. They're like frappuccino looking, or boba tea cups, right? Containers. But it has the little thing, so you can put like a, what is it called? Like a jump ring, and then make it a dangle charm. How cute is that, you guys? And then of course you can fill it with stuff. Like beads or sequins or whatever. So I'm like totally in love with this. And then I think I even ordered more on AliExpress, because the ones that I saw on AliExpress had the straw sticking out of it. But I did get a whole package of this. I can't even remember how many are in here, but it looks like kind of a lot. I'm guessing it's like 50. So I was super excited to get that. Like, I don't know how many of these little food container things I have. I'm wondering too if I could, I'm guessing I could just make, you know, like how I made the fake ice cream. I'm guessing I could do that here. I could also fill it with resin and make like a boba thing. We'll see what I come up with. So, okay, so then I got in another order yesterday, and this one was really fast. Like, I ordered some of these things earlier in the week. Okay, so this is the one that I got from AliExpress. It's much larger, as you can tell. I mean, not Express, sorry. This is AliExpress, this is Amazon. It did cost a lot more for this one. I think it was, I want to say $12 or $13. But I think you get a lot more for your money than what you get on that AliExpress one. So let me just kind of see the quality. Oh yeah, it's different. So, okay, this one, for one thing, it's a lot bigger, right? It's a lot bigger than this one. And this one is more plasticky feeling, although the glitter is very nice on it. But it's like fabric on the back, but it has like a plasticky feel to it. Okay, so then this one is more gritty, like you can feel the glitter here, and less plasticky feeling. And it's a canvas back. But I really like the colors again. And it doesn't, I don't really see the glitter coming off, so I don't think that that's an issue. But it's hard to tell here, but it's actually very iridescent looking too. It's not only it's not only just sparkly. So I did get green, white. It came as a set, light blue. This is like a peach. Well, I guess it's like a light pink. And then there's yellow, and this is like a peach. And then this is like a lavender purpley color, and then this looks like a light green. Yeah, this one's a really light green, and then that's like a darker green. Okay, so I think that was worth it. I kind of like having, I've had this in my cart forever, this thing, and I keep taking it out and putting it back in, and I guess I just must have been in the mood, and I'm like, I'm gonna just order it. So I ordered it finally, and I'm very happy with it. Okay, so that is all the faux leather stuff, and then I'm not done yet. Okay, so this is the AliExpress one. So then okay, let me do this. Okay, so then for those of you that watch Christian, who is Christian's Crafty Adventures here on YouTube, she was showing this. So you can actually order, they're like jello shot glasses, and it has like a weird design. It almost looks like a flower, or some, I don't know, it's not round or like square or anything. And but the good thing is it comes with the lids, which is super cool. And so she turned these into confetti cocktails, which I thought was such a cute idea. I think somebody with the name Confetti, I'm sorry, I'm so bad at names, she named it because she thought it was, and it totally matched. So Christian had put confetti mixes in here, like sequin mixes, and it's so cute, you guys. And then she just like cut the straw down and glued it on the top. So I thought this was another great way to package up things to give to your friends. So I got it really quickly. Like she just had her live like over the weekend, and like it came yesterday, which was Wednesday. So that's pretty fast. And on the live, she was explaining that she got hers from Party City. I think Party City's is cheaper. It was like $7.99. So if you have a Party City near you, you can go look for it there and get it for a cheaper rate. I don't have one near me, and I do have Amazon Prime, so at least I didn't have to pay for shipping. But I think mine was like $12.99 or something like that. But again, I'm always looking for different packaging ideas, and I just thought it was so cute that she made it look like a cup, like a drinking cup. So I did get that. And then okay, so here's the fun stuff, you guys. And I'm super surprised like how fast this stuff came. Like I'm just tripping up because I just ordered it too, and like it's here already. Okay, so recently I've been pretty obsessed with I guess it's Mimi who I first saw do it, and she made these gorgeous geode coasters. And at first I was like, oh yeah, whatever. And then I'm like, then as I keep watching it, and I know people who bought it, like Anna and even Ginger, and the more I watch, I'm like, that is really cool. And so I started watching Mimi's video on how to make it. I will link it below. And then I started watching other people's videos on how they make their geode coasters. And so I decided to buy a bunch of supplies, and hopefully I will be able to make it. I'm trying to be better about using my stuff. So it took me a really long time to figure out if I really wanted to go down this route. And then I just decided to do it. So I found this other lady. I think her channel is called Pour Your Heart Out or something, and I will link her down below too. She has some really interesting techniques and tutorials, and it kind of explained a lot of stuff to me, so I thought it was really good. So I'll link her below. She shows a project using these coasters, so I did order it from Amazon, and it was it was actually cheaper than if I ordered it from AliExpress. Like they had these available on AliExpress, but it was cheaper for me to order it from Amazon, which is weird, I thought. So you get 5 of these flower coasters. I thought that they were so pretty. They remind me of like a lotus flower, or even almost kind of Asian looking. And what she did that was super neat was, I always wondered how they got, like if you have like a character, how do you get the color on the face, like the eyes and stuff. And I never could quite figure that out. But after I watched her videos, I was like, oh my god, that's how they do it. So she got I think it was like a paint pen in gold, and she like painted on this part, which is all raised, and then she poured the resin, and she's like, I don't know if it's gonna work. And then after she unmolded it, all of the gold was on the resin piece and not on the mold. So I'm like, oh my God, I have to try that. So these are not very deep molds. So, you know, I got to keep that in mind when I'm playing around with it. But, you know, I do like the fact that you get more than one mold. I think it was maybe like $16 or $17. Plus you get this big one. And this one is actually like a plate or a tray that you can use this for. Sorry, my hair is on it. But the other thing that I thought that was neat about it is I think she used this mold and there's a technique that you can use. So after you unmold it, I don't know if you have to like wait till it's like still a little moldable. And then she made it like this and it was like a bowl shape. So I'm like, oh, I don't know if I have the balls to do that. But I really like this set. So I did get that. And then I also got this. So I did get the geode set. So this is what the geode coasters look like. They're pretty large. And I really like Mimi's technique. Like I saw other people making geode coasters and it's not as nice. Like she puts like these mirrored glass pieces in there. And she custom colors hers, but so there's no way that I'm gonna make it as nice as Mimi's one. But and then I was wondering how she got the outline, and I think she uses like enamel paint or a paint pen. So we'll see how that goes. You guys gotta wish me luck on all of that. But I do have an idea of what else I want to try using these. So I'm kind of excited. I did order some of the mirrored glass, and I'm waiting for that order to come in. So I did find it pretty cheap on AliExpress. I think some of it shipped already, so I'm hoping that I can get it maybe sooner rather than later. But you know, with the whole shutdown of the factories, I'm hoping that it went out already. I think it did, but I'm not sure. So the last thing that I have to share with you is sorry, my dogs are going crazy because my family just came home. So the last thing I ordered from AliExpress was some resin. So it's the epoxy resin because I don't I have like UV resin and I have a few of the smaller ones of the regular epoxy resin, but I don't even know. I was trying to look up different brands to figure out which one was great or which ones were more recommended than others, and I don't know, I just ordered this one. I don't even know if it's good. So we'll see. This one is called Pudul, and I think it's a 1-to-1 ratio. That's what it looks like. I'm a little nervous about all of this. I've never really done this kind of resin before, but it's good. It comes with gloves and mixing sticks and stuff like that. So I was trying to read through all of their tips and hopefully I will be able to figure it out. If not, then I'll just be playing around. Oh, it even comes with measuring cups, which is awesome. My daughter is making a lot of noise. Can you hear her? Okay, so that is my haul. Wish me luck on the whole resin thing. I think I have to get like Brave before I actually start it. So who knows, it might be a few months before I actually sit down and play with it. But anyway, I guess my family is home, so I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.